So, today it's 6:24 in the morning, and I'm just going to do my morning routine without hesitation. I'm not going to film it. That takes way too long, and you're not going to believe how fast I am at it. Somehow it took me 43 minutes to do my morning routine when yesterday when I was filming, it only took me 29, which means somehow that filming is faster. So now that I know that, I'm not going to film, but I'm just going to somehow kick it into high gear because I really just want to be able to wake up and know that within 1 hour, my morning routine will be done and my yoga will be done. Because that way, if I ever have a plan or an appointment or something, I can just get up an hour earlier and make sure I get all my stuff done. But whatever. Anyway, it is time now to, do my yoga. Can you see it? Oh, I have to do it like this. There's my guy. Day 2 of our 3-week yoga retreat. Day 2 of our 3-week yoga retreat. This is a retreat, guys. It is 8:44. I had a distraction. But anyway, I'm gonna make 2 smoothies so I don't have to do one tomorrow. And it's a clean out the fridge smoothie. So I have blackberries, which that's not the clean out the fridge part. That's just the fiber part. And I have, okay, so each one's gonna get half a banana. Here's the other one. And each one is gonna get 1 cup of flax milk. And each one is gonna get 1 scoop of protein powder. Oh, I don't know how to measure this. I should have just done 1 scoop. I was trying to be prepared, like one of those cooking videos. Okay, and then each one's gonna get half of these leftover black beans. I know, black beans are weird being in a smoothie, but the thing is, they make it creamier. Same with this avocado. Same with the banana, actually. Banana makes smoothies creamier also. There. Hopefully this tastes good. We'll soon find out. Holy crap. This is so good. This is so good. You can even eat it with a fork. I mean, it's just, I freaking love it. I love it. Best smoothie ever. Okay, so here I am doing my paperwork. I'm just going through that basket where I tossed everything yesterday and putting some things up on my bulletin board that I need to refer to. And I'm sorting out other people's mail and getting it out of my pile and going ahead and just putting the things back in there that I do need to deal with. And then I had the recycle bin right next to me so that I could just very easily throw it all in the recycle. And I'm just saving a couple bills, just the coupons that I want, going through those ones that I saved way more than I'll probably need, but I was thinking about getting a couple of windows replaced. And we need to get the moss off of our roof, so I thought, there might be a good deal in here. Who knows? So I decided to make some seafood gumbo. There's no seafood in this yet. This is the sausage and bell pepper. And then I added celery and onions and some frozen spinach, tomato paste, garlic, and bay leaves, and some thyme and oregano and what's that? Cajun spice mix, which I made, which is pepper and cayenne pepper and some other stuff that I don't remember. But then I got a phone call from a FaceTime from this adorable niece of mine whose name is Savannah. And we played Barbies for 1 hour and a half. And it was so much fun. And she's going to call me tomorrow too. And this is another reason why I am so grateful to be retired, because I can look forward to amazing phone calls like this and have time and not be rushed. Oh, I got to get off the phone, blah, blah, blah. And another thing I did today, I fixed the caulking in our master bathroom, so it looks a lot better. I had to do this area around the door. It's like they cut the linoleum too big or something. And this other spot on the other side of the door. And this is like the wall between the door and the toilet. It's some kind of weird, I don't know why they did linoleum in our house. It's weird. It's like, it goes up the wall. It's weird. And I figured I might as well redo the toilet while I was at it. And there was a couple of corners that needed it. This one and this one. So that was my house project for the day. Okay, this gumbo's been cooking for about 3 hours now. And here it is after I added all the seafood to it. 1.5 pounds of mixed mussels and clams and shrimp and other weird squid type things. And that's it. That was my best day ever. Shout out to my niece Savannah.